Hi, I'm Gary Sachs. I work for Paragon Finance in Johannesburg. I'd just like to chat a little about a deal that we recently concluded. So we have an existing client who is, amongst many things, a retailer and a property investor and a property developer. We raised finance for the client for a property development in Johannesburg, which was one deal. Then they came to us pretty late in the transaction, but they acquired a fuel station on a major arterial road in Johannesburg. The purchase price was 60 million. They managed to secure 45 million through a bank, and they needed urgent funding for the balance, which was 15 million rand. What we managed to do to secure the 15 million rand very quickly was, as a property investor, they had another property which was in another part of Johannesburg, and on the property they had you can pay tenant, which had a 20-year lease. So literally within a matter of days, I think 3 or 4 days, we managed to secure the funding. We bridged the finance. So prior to registration, so we made sure that the client had the 15 million rand to pay towards the purchase price prior to registration. Um, and what we did at the same time was, because there was value in the property, we registered a higher bond at the time in case the client wanted to increase the facility. 3 months later, the client came back to us to increase the facility from 15 million to 20 million, the 5 million rand going towards the procurement of stock for a fuel station, which they converted into a Woolies quick shop. So all in all, a good deal for the client and a good deal for Paragon Finance, I think in a very quick turnaround time.